Welcome everybody to SD Tech Tutorials. My name is Sam, and this is the introduction to my channel. So SD Tech Tutorials is a channel devoted to helping solo entrepreneurs like you get answers to your tech questions quickly and efficiently. We're going to focus on three main areas of content on this channel, specifically on tech gear reviews and tutorials. So the things that you need to know to create content, like what microphones to use, what cameras to use, how you can go in and use software to create the specific type of content that you're looking for. Second area is going to be all around live streaming. Specifically tutorials on how to set up live streams, how to make them look and sound great so that you can grow your audience and your business through that medium. And then the third area is going to be video editing, because you also want evergreen content. And again, you want that to look and sound good. Now, this is going to be geared towards mostly beginners, but we will also have some intermediate and advanced level content on the channel for those of you who've already started the process but need that next step. The goal is to make sure that all of this content is put into bite-sized chunks so that it's easy for you to view and consume exactly what you need without any useless information. All the content will be broken up into playlists on the YouTube channel with descriptions and tags to make it very easy for you to understand exactly what you're going to get in the video. Now, if that sounds good to you, go ahead, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so that you get notified by YouTube when new content goes up on the channel. You can also find me on social media, on Facebook and on Twitter, and you can see the handles down below where you can find me. I'll also have that in the description of the video, so look in there as well. And my website is www.sdtechtutorials.com. That you can go to find information about what's going on, as well as if you want to hire me for one-on-one consulting or for video editing work. So this is going to be the channel that you're going to want to tune into to get all those tech questions answered. And feel free to reach out to me either here on YouTube or on my social media channels. Have a great day and create something awesome.